owing to the violence that was reported in Murshidabad in particular, we are told that the NCW team or the National Commission for Women has also taken suo motu cognizance in West Bengal's Murshidabad district, where a team that has been formed to investigate the violence over the Waqf law. Sabya is with us right now. Sabya, as far as the NCW team is also concerned, because we are told when it comes to the Human Rights Commission, that has also taken cognizance, the NCW also taking cognizance when it comes to hundreds of families that were forced to flee their homes.
Well, that's right. See, the NCW has taken cognizance of the violence that had taken place in Murshidabad, and the team of NCW would be reaching the violence-affected areas today. On the other hand, the Human Rights Commission have also taken cognizance of this matter, and their team would be reaching Murshidabad and other places which has been affected by the violence next week. Now, clearly, a lot of testimonies coming in from Murshidabad and in the other areas where the violence had broke out. Several of the women feared that their life is under threat, and they have been continuously given rape threat by the protesters, and they have fled their home, and right now they are taking shelter in different shelter homes under the protection of the central forces. So looking at these circumstances and the allegations which has been leveled by the Hindus over there, that is the reason why both NCW and the Human Rights Commission have taken cognizance of this matter, and their respective team would be heading to Murshidabad.
So there are testimonies there, especially when it comes to the family, saying that there have been rape threats that has been issued, drinking water that has been poisoned, and all of them that have been threatened never to return as far as when it comes to their houses that were attacked in the view of the violence that was reported in Murshidabad. Thank you very much for the moment, Sabya, for joining in.